I'm Kelly Nascimento with Kelly's Reading Corner, and this video is going to give you a peek inside all of our newest mini books. Like, this is huge news. I've been a consultant for a little over 3 years, and we haven't had new mini books come out since the whole time. We just got a bunch of new ones, so I can't wait to show you. I'm gonna give you just a little peek at them, and then I actually have a bunch of flip throughs for you to see all of our mini books, the newest and all the ones we've always had. Now, what I think mini books are so great for are taking with you on the go. So they're super small and lightweight, so they're great for like a diaper bag if you have kids of a lot of different ages and you're carrying around a diaper bag still. These fit perfectly in those. They're great to keep in the car, keep your kids busy in the car, have them in the car in case you end up stopping in a restaurant or you're going shopping in a store and your kiddos get bored, they start whining, complaining. They are gonna have something to keep them busy, entertained, and even learning. We love that books are fun and educational. So we have a bunch of new doodle books, and then I'll show you inside a little bit here. So we have a lot of fun little drawings that you can do on every page. And then we have some new spy books. Spy secret messages, puzzles, maze puzzles, and disguises. So these are little activity books. And then some of our newer books, nonfiction and fiction, come in a mini size now. So Mind Your Manners, this has been a favorite for a long time, and now it's so cool. It comes in a mini version. Like, take your favorite books with you on the go. It's so nice. Keeping Us Healthy. What a fantastic nonfiction book to have in a mini, and what a wonderful word. So if you've seen, we recently came out with What a Wonderful Phrase, and it shows the origin of different idioms, and What a Wonderful Word does a similar thing with just words, where they came from around the world. And now it comes in this beautiful little mini version. And then of course we have all of our old standard favorites in mini books that you are getting a look at right now. These mini books you cannot order through our website, but you can order them through your consultant. And 'tis the season for mini book sales, because a lot of consultants are running mini book sales because they also make fantastic stocking stuffers. So of course they're great year-round, anytime, but they do make excellent stocking stuffers for the holidays.